Hard Chrome Solutions is an industrial repair and manufacturing center specializing in extruder gearbox repair. With our solutions, you get stronger extruder gearboxes that deliver higher torque and output, reduce downtime, and save money on future repairs. We repair and re-engineer your gearing with the latest engineering technology that makes it better than the original. For every repair, we offer a full engineering on-site analysis, housing, machining, and reboring, gear inspection, no-load spin testing, gear manufacturing, and performance upgrades that meet or exceed your current process loads. This is all with a 24/7 worldwide emergency service and a 36-month guarantee from the date of repair. Our staff will provide custom quotes for every repair, complete with new unit pricing for comparison, digital photos, failure analysis, and upgrade options. Whether your extruder gearbox is single screw, twin screw, or conical, we stock every conceivable part in our warehouse that results in faster turnaround times. The team at Hard Chrome Solutions offers incredible service due to having more than 6 decades of experience from our German-trained engineers. Manufacturers throughout the world turn to us for original equipment repair and advice on our services. As one of the top equipment suppliers in the industry, we have provided support for nearly every brand. These include Flender, Coperion, Kraus, Maffei, Lufkin, Davis Standard, Henschel, Farrell, and many more. We are in Texas, Chicago, Nevada, Florida, and in Europe by 2023. Every call is received by our owner and president to ensure custom attention and prompt service. When you call, you will receive same-day responses from our staff, and we ensure the job is done right the first time, every time. Contact us today at 732-895-3225 or visit our website, hardchromesolution.com.